How to allow only admin to send message in a WhatsApp group. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure you're logged into your WhatsApp account. Then, click on the group chat where you want to allow only admin to send message. Then click on the group's name at the top. Here, you'll find group permissions. Click on group permissions. And you'll find send new messages. Turn this off, which is members can. So after you turn this off, make sure the circle is on the left side, and when you go back, only admin will be able to send message in a group chat. This is how to allow only admin to send message in a WhatsApp group. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.